Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are here for HoliYAY giveaway time. I am so excited. Today's HoliYAY giveaway is the Tartelette Toasted Palette. The Tarte eyeshadows are so creamy, so buttery. This is what the palette itself looks like. You have a mirror on this side, and then these are the colors you get, so really warm, bronzy, actually similar to what I have on my eyes right now, but this isn't what I'm wearing on my eyes. If you want to see a full tutorial on this look, I will leave it linked down below. But great variety of mattes and shimmers, all the Tartelette eyeshadow palettes I love, blend out really easily, very pigmented, very long wearing, and this is no exception. The mattes are just so crazy buttery to me. Just look at the foiling on this shade. It's just such a beautiful palette. It's very versatile, and it's nothing insanely wild color-wise, where you can really play around with this if you are a beginner and come up with some amazing looks. It's very hard to mess up with this palette. This is my personal toasted palette, but two lucky winners for today's giveaway will be winning their very own toasted palette. So to enter the giveaway, as with every single HoliYAY giveaway, the rules are simple. They will be listed in the info box down below. And right off the bat, I'm sorry to all my international viewers, HoliYAY giveaways are not international yet, but hopefully soon. To enter, you must be subscribed to me on YouTube. You must also be following me on Instagram. I am just the Lavish Palette over on Instagram as well. And then once you have done those two things, you must answer a question that I will pose for each video that I do a HoliYAY giveaway for. Each video's question will be different, and you have to answer it down in the comments. And in the comments down below also, if you can leave me your Instagram name so that I can contact you through Instagram, DM you, and if you don't have an Instagram account, then give me your email address so that I can send you an email if you are the winner. So today's question for the HoliYAY giveaway is, what is your favorite food to eat around the holiday season? I have a bunch of them, a lot of peppermint flavored things, like Cheesecake Factory comes out with a peppermint bark cheesecake. That thing is so dang delicious. But also like hot drinks, hot chocolate. Starbucks comes out with their like creme brulee latte, which I really love. So those are my answers. Leave your answers down below to enter the giveaway. This giveaway, or each giveaway pretty much, will be open for a few days. I am planning on doing a bunch more HoliYAY giveaways this year, so stay tuned. If you don't win this one, don't be discouraged. There will be more coming your way. That brings me to the end of today's giveaway video. I can't wait to see all of your comments down below. I love reading and responding to those because it kind of helps me interact and get to know you guys better, which is something that I really genuinely love doing. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this giveaway season, but until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!